Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm out here in Northern California in Colusa State Park. I'm going after some stripers. Stay tuned. I will keep you guys posted. Follow me along. Hopefully I can put you guys into some fish actions. This is what it is in a park. It's beautiful family camping, gathering, everything. Little brother's backing up his boat into the dock. Mine's already in the river. It's a long parking lot. It's a long walk. It's a good exercise. It's me. I'm parking all the way in the back over there where all the campers are at. Working my way to my boat. Here we are at the boat launch. Going down to the boat. People are swimming right there on the boat launch. It's cold. Ooh. My boat's to the right. Tommy's boat to the left.
It's a baby one.
It is. Alright guys. Release.
Catch and release. Alright, bye. Get bigger. What is it?
Just good. Feel good. Fine.
Ooh. It's a keeper. I hope it's a keeper.
It is keeper.
Ooh, I got a disc.
What is it?
What do you mean?
What does that mean?
Hold on that tight, man.
What does that mean, Dad?
That mean I got this.
What is that?
Like
A reward?
reward this.
What did you get? Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Yay!
Two of them now, back to back.
Yeah.
My God. Double, but this time Mom did pulling Dad. Oh, Mom's pulling her.
Okay, we're measuring my fish.
Alright guys, my wife's fish. Clean. Probably spawned out already, but let's measure it.
Measure it. Oh, definitely. It's a keeper. It's about 20 and a half.
20 and a half.
All right.
20 and a half stripers. It's my fish. Striper.
This is my husband's fish.
And right here you have DFG disc. You guys see the disc right there? Right there. That's the disc on the fish. Let's measure this baby out. by
21 and a half.
Right.
Good one, babe.